Hello everyone, so our topic for today is transient method. So we have the example problem, we have this diagram. So our given is the I sub 1 equals 1 ampere and our resistant one is equals 2 ohms. Our R2 equals 5 ohms, our R3 equals 10 ohms, and our resistance to load is equals to 4 ohms. Then our volt is 12 volts sub 1 and 24 volts V sub 2. So in case 1, we have to remove the volts, the 2 volts. So we have this diagram. So the solution is we have this formula, the R total, we have 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 plus 1 over RL and the exponent negative 1. So substitute the given, then we have the total resistance of 2.22 ohms. So next, to calculate the R1 and the R total, so we have to add the R1 and the R total. So we have the so substitute the given, so 2 plus 2.22 and the answer is 4.22 ohms. Then next is we have to calculate the voltage, the total voltage. So we have this formula. So next we have to solve or calculate the total voltage. So we have the formula, the I sub 1 times the total resistance, and substitute the given, we have 1, the I sub 1, and then the total resistance of, then our answer is the same of the R total 2.22. So next we have to calculate the current I sub 2. So we have the formula total voltage over the R2. So we have so substitute the given, we have 2.22 over 5, then our answer is 0.444 amperes. So next we have the I3. Our formula is total voltage over R3. Then substitute the given 2.22 over 10. Then our answer is 0.222 amperes. So next is we have to calculate the current load. We have then our formula is the same voltage, total voltage over the resistance load. Then substitute the given, we have 2.22 over 4, then our answer is 0.555 amperes. Next two, we have to remove the I sub 1, the current, then remove the V sub 2, the voltage. So we have this diagram, sorry. So solution, we have the formula of the R3 load is equals to 1 over R3 plus 1 over R2, then exponent negative 1. So substitute the given, we have, then our answer is 2.86 ohms. So next, to solve R total of 2, 3 load, then our formula is 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 load. Then substitute the given, then we have the answer 1.82 ohms. Then next we have to calculate the I V sub 1. Then our formula is V sub 1 over the R total. So 12 over 1.82 is equals to 3.3 amperes. Then our I2, our formula, then I V sub 1 times R3 load over R2 plus R3 load. So substitute the given, we have 3.3, the I V sub 1, then 1.82 over 5 plus 2.86, then our answer is 1.98 amperes. So next we have the I3 load. Then our formula is I V sub 1 minus the I sub 2. Then substitute the given, we have 3.3 minus 1.88, then our answer is 1.32 amperes. Then next we have to calculate the I3. Then our formula is I3 load times the resistance load over the R3 plus the resistance load. Then substitute the given, we have 1.32 times 4 over 10 plus 4, then our answer is 0.38 amperes. Then last is the current load. Our formula is the I3 load times R3 over R3 plus RL, the resistance load. Then substitute the given, we have 1.32 over times 10 over 14, then our answer is 0.24 amperes. So next we have the case 3. So first we have to close the voltage V sub 1 or remove. Then our V sub 2 is 24 volts. So the solution of this diagram is we have the formula, the R3 load equals 1 over R3 plus 1 over resistance load, then exponent negative 1. So substitute the given, then we have the answer 20 over 7. So next we have the R total. So we have this formula, the R2 plus resistance 3 load, then substitute the given, then our answer is 55 over 7 ohms. Then next we have the I V sub 2. Then our formula is V sub 2 over the R total, then substitute the value, then 24 volts over 55 over 7, then our answer is 3.05 amperes. So then our last and final answer is the 3.05 amperes in I V sub 2, and the I2 equals 3.05 amperes.